May mga nagme-message pa kung okay pa ba kami mag-asawa since wala na si Philip sa intro namin.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
You can do the cereal, you can help mom.
Good morning, vlog. Hi, vlog. We are in laundry.
We're doing laundry. We are. Turn on the water first. So you have to turn on. Well done. Thank you for helping, mommy. You did it. Go and eat. Huh?
What's that, Mama?
All done.
I want to get the hot water.
You want hot water?
Yeah,
Why?
I get the hot water.
For shower?
Yeah, shower.
Oh, okay, you can shower. But eat first. Finish your food first. No, I love you. I love you too, Baba. Sige na, eat na ikaw. Hi guys! Say hi
I
guys!
need to breathe tired.
Mommy's gonna tie my hair after. Okay, first mommy have to buy hair tie. No hair tie. Ano ba yan? Why are you so grumpy naman? I said pa, we have a good day today. Mommy and Aiden are having such a good day because we read a book. What else did we do? We read a book, we shower together. What else? What else did we do? Shower together.
Shower together.
And then we eat cereal. And what else did you do today? We help Ate Lily review on her test today. And then what else? Okay na, stop na. Come on, Lily's school na. Lily's finished with her school. Hi guys! Good afternoon. Good morning po. Nag-shower na kami ni Aiden. And then hindi siya happy because nakalugay ako ng buhok. Nagagalit siya. Gusto niya magtali ako ng buhok. I don't know. I don't understand. Parang recently, ayaw niya ng pajamas ko. Nag-search siya ng ayaw niya ng pajamas ko. So, pag yung mga pajamas, yung parang silk ba tawag doon? Or satin na pajama yung ginagamit ko. Pinapa-hubad niya sa akin pag matutulog na. Okay lang siya during the day. Tapos yung buhok ko talaga, ayaw niyang nakalugay. Hindi ko alam kung dahil hindi niya nakasanayan na nakalugay yung hair ko. Pero today kasi nag-effort tayo. Nagkulot-kulutan yung ilalim. Wala lang ako lipstick. Parang ano nga siya yung hairstyle ng... Ganito yung hairstyle ko nung nagkakilala kami ni Phil. Wow! Ganyan, hairstyle ko siya nung kadalagahan ko pa. So, parang gusto ko lang siyang... ganyan yung hair natin today. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. So, si AA, hindi siya happy. I don't know why. Do you wanna go and buy egg with Mama?
No, we need to go to the bookstore in 11. I need 11.
You need 11. What 11?
Toy store.
You want toy store?
We'll buy some animal book.
Buy some money.
Animal book from the toy store.
We can do that on Friday. But today, we'll do something else. Can we fix your shirt?
Let's get some more money.
What?
Let's get some more
You
money.
need to get more money? Really? Where do we get money? Where?
More money.
Where? Where do you want to get money? From?
Oh, the toy store.
For the toy store. But where do we get money? I don't know where to get money.
Let's get some more money.
Where nga? I don't know where.
More money.
You want to get more money? I know. I want to get more money too. Mommy only know how to make money. But not get money. Come here. Put this on. Yeehaw!
No.
Ay, not yeehaw. Galit naman. Init naman ang ulo nito.
Help me.
Ay, siya. Wala yun.
My glasses.
Mommy's hungry na anak.
No, eating.
Come on.
Mama, egg right there.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, egg right there, Mom. I need a toy store.
We need toy store. I know. On Friday, we go to toy store on Friday. And then we bring some toys for Sabina. Diba?
Miss Medina.
Who's Sabina? Your cousin. Okay, fine. May bag na. Stop being grumpy na. That's why I don't want you to use phones eh. Huh? Come on then. Let's go then. Come on, let's go. Go get Lily. We'll go get Lily. Come. Come on!
Oh.
Napakakulit naman talaga naman ng batang ito talaga. Magluluto ako ng mabilisang food. So, meron akong sukiyaki. Konti lang siya. Tapos, some garlic. Hindi ako maglalagay ng onions kasi hindi naman pet na mga kids. And then, we'll be using our frozen broccolis. Parang ang dilim. Di ba kayo nadidiliman? Parang ang dilim, no? Ayan. So frozen broccolis. So, basically, beef and broccoli. Ang iluluto natin ngayon. Bawal pa yan kausapin, hindi pa yan siya okay. Sabi ko sana, lalabas kami ni Aiden, bibili ng eggs kasi wala na kaming eggs. Tapos, gusto ko rin bumili ng sitaw at saka kalabasa sana. Para makapagluto tayo ng ginataang sitaw at kalabasa. Kaya lang, yung AA natin nga, niiyak sa baba. So, sabi ko na ko, ano to? Feeling ko baka gutom. So, luto muna tayo ng food.
About to be as much as I can, but Aiden and me can
Where did you put the snow?
we have to do all of it
Where did you put the snow, ha?
inside.
Are you sure?
Yay!
Nag-frozen kami ng mga sea animals nila.
Don't wash it, don't wash it.
And share water outside. Go on.
I will free the whales. I showed the sea animals.
It needs water, those. You can get a tabo.
She's stuck in there.
What's stuck?
We need to break
Get a
it.
tabo. Get a tabo with water.
Check it. Almost done.
Is it?
It's done. It's cold. Let's show it the dogs.
Whose head is that?
The penguin.
The penguin's head. Help me!
I
Help
sure.
me!
I want to share with you.
Woo! It's cold. Splash, splash. Splash, splash.
Ah!
Splash,
Yeah!
splash.
I want to share with you.
Okay. Mommy, get a tabo in water, okay?
Yeah.
Mm.
And I'll get the water.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah?
maybe we don't need it.
Okay, it's up to you, Baba.
Here's a fork. And here's a shredder. Wait.
Auntie, mga kids, ha? Luto ako. And kapag sangag na ako, and then ito na yung ating broccoli and beef. Ayan na siya. Tinanong ko yung kids kung kakain na sila. Sagot ni Aiden, after! Galit na galit. Okay. Wow. Sobrahan naman yan kay Lolo Sir. Nakakasobrahan ng nood ng kay Lolo Sir naman yan. Good afternoon. Nag-walk kami ng kids. They had some snack sa Pancake House kanina. And then, we are going to the park. Ayan, mag-walking sila dyan. Mag-running sila dyan. Bahala sila dyan. This one asked for yogurt. So, he has yogurt. And si Ate Lily naman. Ate, come on. Stop it!
It's gonna melt!
Oh, it's gonna melt. Oh, you have to eat it na. You have to drink. You have to drink it. Drink it. O, si ate naman, yung pambili niya ng yogurt, sabi niya, cash na lang. So, I gave it to her para makakabili daw siya sa canteen nila tomorrow. Max, si Kirby, oh. Kira pala doon. Resign na ako. Aidan, come on. Aidan, come on. Bakit? Saan? Look. Ay! Bakit close na yung mga
Hinahanap ko yung book.
yung grass nila, mga close na. Gusto kasi ni Aiden maglaro sa grass. Kaya lang yung mga grass nila, parang taking a breather. Ay, tsura nyo!
The koala is climbing down the tree!
Koala
Did you hold your bag?
Auntie, help you?
Help you?
Go! Climb!
No. Go.
Mine.
Go up.
Go in. I just slide.
A slide! Kukulit niya. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wow! Koala eh! Wow! Koala eh!
Oh. Money truck. Money truck.
Where?
There. Ooh, I want.
Let's go!
Let's go home.
Okay. Look at the water! Wow! Yung mga dumayo ng high street para mag-charge. Ano to? Ano to, Aiden?
Pahangin lang.
Pahangin lang. Ang sarap ng hangin around this time. And nag-aantay ako ng sasakyan so we can go home. Wala pa ako naisip na dinner. Pero kumain na kami kasi kanina sa Pancake House. So hopefully, if we go to bed early, hindi kami magugutom. Kasi pag mga nagutom, hindi ko alam kung ano lulutuin. Ano ba meron sa bahay? Ano ba meron sa bahay? Tosino. Ay, may tosino pa pala tayo. What else? Tosino. Tosino. Ay, may hotdog.
Century. Meron pa ata tayo.
Big Mac.
Big Mac. Huwag na magluto kasi hanggang Friday.
Ay, Wednesday na tomorrow.
Wednesday na. Parang tagal pa din.
Wednesday, tapos Thursday, Friday. Ay, pwede bumili ng all-purpose cream, egg, kalabasa, tsaka sitaw. So, yung kalabasa sitaw, pwedeng igata kasi may gata ako doon. Tama. Tapos merong all-purpose cream for pasta. Tapos ano na, egg. Yung pang pancake na.
Oh.
So yung kailangan, egg, all-purpose cream, at saka kalabasa and sitaw. Dapat kanina dumaan ako doon. Uy! May natira akong ano. May kisses ako sa bag. I love it. Ayan, since we're here, ay, mag-mic ako. Baka maingay. So, yung ate Lily natin dyan, oh. Si ate Lily natin, nakikipag-friends. And talagang ini-introduce niya sa lahat. Ito yung mami ko, ito yung auntie ko. Anyway, guys. I'm getting a lot of questions regarding our new intro na parang bakit kaming tatlo na lang ng kids yung nasa intro. And the reason for that is I had to make an intro na parang quickly. Excuse me. So after New Year, nag-delete ako ng mga old pictures, old videos sa phone before ko na-realize that I have to make a new intro for this year. Kasi this year is, ano na siya, 9th year na namin na nag-vlog. So sabi ko, you know what? We have to make a new intro as fast as I can kasi patapos na yung January tapos wala pa tayong vlog na na-upload. Only video na or clips na gusto ko na pwedeng mag-work sa ating music is yung tatlo kami ng kids. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna make an intro na kami lang ng mga bata. And I asked Phil about it and he said na yeah, no problem. I didn't see it as a big deal since kami nga lang yung nakikita niyo sa vlog. So kami tatlo ng mga bata lang muna. And that's for, kumbaga temporary lang naman. And then, nung may mga ilan na nakapansin, may mga nagko-comment na, may mga nagme-message pa kung okay pa ba kami mag-asawa since wala na si Philip sa intro namin. So, sabi ko, ay, okay. Medyo off nga siguro yung biglaan na walang natatlo lang kami ng mga kid. Now, finally, nagkaroon ako ng time to edit and nakaisip ako ng parang theme ng gagawin kong intro. And so, nakagawa ko ng bagong intro. Medyo mahirap siya gawin kasi yung idea nasa isip ko lang siya. But the whole parang pag-design ng intro, I had to put stickers or download some stuff sa internet para mapagtagpi-tagpi ko siya sa intro. And it took me mga 2 days bago ko nagawa tong intro na to. But Phil seems to like it. I liked it and Lily liked it. And sabi ni Phil, I think this is the best one yet. Sabi pa niya. And I really think that it's a nice intro. So this is the first time that you're gonna see our new intro for this year ng The McQueen's Vlog 2025. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Please comment down below if you like it or if you don't, comment down below.
You're my better half, a part of me